Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Harris 230 Sunliner. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury Verado 200 horsepower engine. This is the new engine with the oil change, check, fill, and cowling pops right off the front. This comes with a stainless steel ski tow bar. We've extended the rear deck with safety chains, and you've got the stainless swim ladder on the back. This one is the very popular single lounger layout. Gives you all the storage space, full boat cover, and a table that can be mounted inside the boat. This is a flip-flop. You can have it forward or back. You'll see your L-shaped seating here in the back. You've got your dual batteries with a dual battery switch, cup holders, and a place to store your cell phone. Trash can, flip down armrest. Here at the helm, you'll see this has the raised helm option with the upgraded high back seat. This one's going to have the tilt wheel steering, the JL audio head unit, Simrad GPS. Also, it's going to have the total lighting package, and this is digital throttle shift. So we come forward. You'll see plenty of storage area. You can add the optional changing room. Coming in the front, you'll see plenty of seating on both sides with flip down armrest, portable cup holders. That completes the walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 230 Sunliner. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.